Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you are fine. I want to share something with you regarding uh, Excel, Microsoft Excel. Uh, the First of all, I will teach you about how to add on Microsoft Excel any value and values on two or more than two values on Microsoft Excel. Let's start. First, I will click on window bar and then Excel. Right here Excel will open now. I mention name of anyone. First was Johnny and Wasim. Numbers. Johnny got 17 numbers and Wasim got 40 numbers. Now total, and there are two ways to add values, two or more than two values. One is this equal to sum shift bracket start and click or move this by up and down arrow, right side arrow. I brought this. It is sparkling on. I click on this and shift semicolon. Oh, sorry, shift colon, and I click on second value and shift by pressing shift end of bracket. I enter. There is 110 is sum of two these two values, and it's also showing in this there 110. There is another method to add values here. Sum equal to this shift plus sign and this column, enter this. Now you can add, how you can add more than two values. For example, John, Akbar, Hassan, Annie. Akbar got 143, Hassan 38, Annie 560. Now how we will sum these values, because these are more than two values total. Equal to, sign of equal to, sum bracket start shift bracket start sign and move this by left arrow key, hold shift and start towards right side by right arrow keys, this, and now shift bracket close, enter. I can check it through by selecting these. I select these values and the answer is sum is 256. It is also same but as this. Second method, equal to plus shift plus this shift plus this, shift plus, this, shift plus, this, and there is no need to add after last value sign of plus and enter. Yes. Now topic is uh, today is sufficient. The now topic is off. I hope you learned something from this. Uh, if you found any query regarding this, you may comment. You may indicate your queries in comment box. I hope you will enjoy.